As the sun rose over the jungle canopy, casting its golden light upon the vibrant foliage below, the lion, majestic and regal, called forth a gathering of the animal kingdom. From the tiniest ants to the mightiest elephants, creatures of all shapes and sizes heeded the call, gathering at the lion's den for a war council unlike any before. With a solemn air, the lion addressed everyone, his voice resonating with authority and wisdom. He spoke of a great challenge looming on the horizon, a threat that required their unity and cooperation to overcome. Each animal listened intently, their eyes reflecting determination and resolve. The elephant, towering above the rest with his impressive stature, was assigned a crucial role in the upcoming battle. With his immense strength, he would bear the weight of the kingdom's arsenal upon his broad back, carrying the tools of war with unwavering determination. Beside him stood the bear, his muscles rippling with power, ready to charge into battle with ferocious intensity. His role was clear: to lead the charge against the enemy, his mighty roars striking fear into the hearts of their foes. Meanwhile, the fox, with his keen intellect and cunning nature, was entrusted with the task of devising intricate strategies and secret plans. Hidden in the shadows, he would outsmart their adversaries at every turn, ensuring victory for their cause. And then there was the playful monkey, agile and nimble, his mischievous grin hinting at the mischief he was destined to create. With his amusing tricks and acrobatic feats, he would distract the enemy, buying precious time for their forces to regroup and strategize. As the council progressed, some animal voiced doubts about the usefulness of their smaller, seemingly insignificant counterparts. The not so smart donkeys and timid hares, they argued, were too weak and foolish to make any meaningful contribution to the cause. But the wise lion silenced their protests with a solemn gaze, his eyes reflecting the depth of his understanding. In his kingdom, every creature had a purpose, every talent held value. "The donkey shall be our trumpeter," proclaimed the lion, his voice resonating with authority. "His powerful bray will strike fear into the hearts of our enemies, signaling our strength and determination. And the nimble hare shall carry our royal bulletins swiftly and stealthily back home, ensuring our communication remains swift and secure." The lion understood the importance of unity and diversity within his kingdom. He knew that strength lay not only in the might of the strongest, but in the combined efforts of all. And so, with the lion's leadership guiding them forward, the animals of the jungle stood united and resolute, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. For in their unity and understanding, they found strength, courage, and ultimately victory. In our lives, it's essential to foster inclusivity, understanding, and collaboration. By appreciating the different strengths, perspectives, and contributions of every person, we can create a more resilient and harmonious society. Together, united in purpose and empathy, we can overcome challenges, achieve our goals, and build a brighter future for all. I celebrate the good qualities in others and myself. I embrace the uniqueness in everyone.